My name is Mike Schmidt. I'm with Emerging Lifesaving Technologies and New Light Lighting Systems. We're here with our distribution partner Edmo Distributors, and we're here to introduce two great new products. Emerging Lifesaving Technologies is a combination between two different companies, New Light Lighting Systems and Kelly Manufacturing. These two companies came together and did basically a blank sheet redesign of a 406 ELT. And in that design process, we found that ELT survivability is actually very, very low. Depending upon who you talk to, anywhere between 30 and 70% of ELTs don't work in an emergency situation. We were pretty surprised by that, and so as we designed this box, we really built a lot of survivability into it. The main key, or the key failure point really is batteries, and for a number of reasons we'll go through those. Obviously, if the aircraft hits too hard, you're going to be breaking connections. If it lands in an unusual attitude, you're going to be limiting the transmission field of the antenna, and then fires and landing in water, of course, are other limitations. We are the only ELT with a built-in GPS. That's significant for a couple of reasons. One is it really lowers the installation time, the installation costs for you, the avionics installers. And with 406 technology, of course, it's way better than 121.5. With 121.5, we know we're kind of in the DC area. 406 gets you within about 25 nautical miles, but it takes about an hour and a half for them to get it narrowed down to that. With the 406 with GPS, we can tell you where you are within 25 meters within 1 minute. So having that GPS data enabled into the 406 ELT is very, very important. We also offer the only dual polarized ELT antenna. All other ELT antennas are vertically polarized. So if you land in an unusual attitude like this helicopter or this airplane here, you're shooting that signal into the dirt, into the side of the hill, or something like that. With our ELT antenna, we're both horizontally and vertically polarized. So if you're laying on your side, you're still shooting that signal straight up into the air to where those satellites can pinpoint your location. New Light lighting systems New Light has a new system of NVG lighting, and what's significant about the New Light lighting wedges is that we're not altering the instrument at all. By not altering the instrument, it's a very easy installation. It's the familiar lighting wedges that everybody's been putting in for 20 years now. And again, it doesn't alter the instrument. All of the lighting rings are STC and FAA approved. And the installation costs are very low because, again, we're not modifying the instrument. This is an example of what we can do. It's a very nice white, Invis white LED. There's no color shift. There's no, with no filter on there, you're not darkening it, so you have no daylight readability. That open bezel design really makes that readability better. It's available in 5, 14, and 28 volt systems, and very, very low power consumption, so it's an easy installation. So that's our presentation. We are at booth 128 with New Light and ELT, and then you can also see our stuff with our distribution partners Edmo at booth 411. Thanks.